Hi guys, so if you're new here, I'm Alicia and I do like makeup kind of videos. Today I wanted to do something a bit different. I wanted to give you guys a bit of like advice and some tips on Instagram. Whether you're new and want to build your following or you're thinking of starting an account, then this is the perfect video for you. Let's get straight into it. So I'm mainly just going to be talking about how to gain followers, how to get engagement and things like that. So this is a video I've wanted to do for quite a long time because I have been doing Instagram for 3 years now. So even though I've been on Instagram for quite a long time now, I only really started to gain followers about 5 months ago. It was when I started a new job and it was a makeup job, and I kind of realised how much more I wanted to do my Instagram because all the girls around me were posting on their Instagram daily or just like 4 times a week, and it kind of made me realise like, oh, I actually need to put in more effort and step up my game if I want my Instagram to grow. So that is what I did, and I started seeing a massive difference, like a really massive difference. And then when I started posting more often, that is when I saw the results. So I'll just talk to you today through some tips that I learned. I am only on 1.7k. To me it is quite a lot considering what I was on this time last year. Even this time like 4 months ago, it's a big change for me, which I'm very proud of. But also I know to some people it is not a lot, but if you do apply these tips every day, you will gain a lot of followers. So the first tip I have is show your personality. If you're just going to post a photo and have no caption, then people aren't going to engage as much because they're going to have nothing to engage to. So it's all good people commenting and saying, oh, this is really pretty, giving you feedback. That is really good as well, but you also want people in the comments to have conversations so that you can build followings and things like that and gain friendships. That is the main thing. You want to have friendships through this. Now I'm not saying go and befriend everyone. Obviously there are going to be people out there that aren't your type of people, which is completely fine. But I just mean find your type of people and kind of make friends with them. It's really nice to support other artists, and it just kind of makes your experience on Instagram a lot more positive as well. So yeah, in your captions maybe write a question that they can answer, like how was your day, what have you guys been doing, what are your favourite products or stuff like that, so that people can answer it in the comments. Also what I like to do is do Instagram stories where I talk about my favourite products, so that people are actually hearing your voice and they're not just seeing pictures. It will get people to relate to you and just kind of want to see your content a lot more because they have like a name to go to. Like, how do I put this? They have like a personality to gravitate to. Then you're not just like a face that is posting stuff on Instagram, you're also a personality, people are watching your videos and things like that. So it really does help when you kind of show your personality a little bit more. I only started realising this about 5 months ago, and then when I did start to do more talking videos on my story and post a lot more with more engaging captions, that is when I saw a big change. So it definitely works, and if you're not doing it, try it out. Engage with people that you follow. This is another tip, because if Instagram sees you're engaging with all these people, they will put you on their feed and them on your feed, and it will create a friendship because you're always liking each other's posts, you're always commenting back and forth, and it'll be kind of become a regular thing for you guys. So yeah, just be consistent with the people you follow. You don't want to be inactive because some people will just remove you from their followings because they're not seeing results, or it just looks weird. They've got like 2,000 followers and like 100 likes because so many people are inactive. So just be active with everyone that you follow. Now this one isn't really a tip, more of an awareness, especially for if you have a page where you're promoting something like makeup, skincare, fitness, anything like that. I had a lady come to me and say she had makeup products that she wanted me to try out. Now I did fall for this because it was a long time ago and I was very new to the whole Instagram thing and I was a bit naive to all that. But yeah, so basically she said she wanted me to try products and she sent me some free ones as well if I bought some products. So I did that, and I waited so long for these things to come, and eventually something turned up, but it wasn't what I thought it was. It was dog clippers, and I was like, I messaged her and I said, excuse me, like, what is this? I didn't order this. So you said it would be makeup. And she was like, oh my god, I'm so sorry. We didn't mean to send you that. And I was just like kindly saying, can you please give me a refund? I don't want to wait for any makeup because I don't think it's going to come. And she was like, yeah, of course. And another thing that was dodgy is when I went to message her, her page had changed from makeup to dog stuff. So that was very like sketchy. Like one minute she's promoting makeup, the next minute she's promoting dog products. You can tell that it's kind of like a fraud to get your money and things. So that is what I'd watch out for. Just make sure that people are genuine before you're going to buy off them or accept products off them. A way to tell this is people's followers and likes. So I didn't really think about this at the time, but this lady had 200k followers but only 50 likes on each of her posts. Like, that's not realistic. If you have that many followers, not that many are going to be inactive. Maybe a couple thousand, but at the most you should get about 3,000 likes or something like that. So yeah, look at their followers and then look at their likes, because if it does not match up, then it's definitely something sketchy. No one's going to have 200k followers and then get 100 likes per post. So just check that when someone reaches out to you about products. Now, my next tip is whether you're doing makeup, fashion or fitness, do not see anyone in the same category as you as competition. You should be uplifting everyone and everyone should be doing the same to you. Nobody is competition. There is enough brands to go around. Enough brands seek people for their PR list all the time. And everyone is unique. No one is going to have the same style as you, the same makeup techniques as you. Everyone is different in some way or another. So there is absolutely room for everyone. And when you see it as competition, you're not going to make friends with anyone. You're not going to create friendships because you're going to see them as the competition basically, and you're gonna think, oh, I don't want to be friends with her because she might steal my ideas if I tell her something, or she might do this, she might do that, or him, he might do this, he might do that. Like, that's not a good attitude to have, because you're gonna seem very hateful on Instagram and you're gonna seem like an unapproachable person. And if you want to gain friendships with your followers or just gain a relationship with them, you don't want to come across as hateful. So never see anyone as a competition. Always uplift each other. There are so many people on Instagram that do that, and it just makes it a better environment to be in when everyone is being nice. And I'm not saying many people are hateful on Instagram, I'm just saying this is a tip for if you want to grow your following. Now, my last tip is always do kind of like polls and questionnaires on your story. It will get people to engage with you more, and they'll kind of end up looking forward to your stories because they'll think, oh, she always does a quiz, I really like them, or she always does like asking for opinions and I really like to give my opinion. And people will come back to your story looking forward to these things. It will also make your engagement go up a lot, which is really nice for you because you're getting people to engage with your profile more, and then more of these people will end up liking your posts because they're getting to know you as a person and you're doing fun things for them. I have seen that my stories get a lot more views when I talk about products and I do polls and I do questionnaires and things like that. People tend to view my story a lot more than if I just post a random picture of something. So that is definitely a way to get your engagement up with your followers and to create a relationship. And that is everything for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed and I really hope you take some of these tips away with you. If these do help any of you guys, let me know in the comments. I'd really love to know what improvements you have made to your Instagram, or if you've just started a new Instagram and this video has given you a bit more confidence to do so and a bit more information, then let me know in the comments. I'd really love to know. I'm going to do another one of these videos next week on YouTube, so if you'd like to see that, subscribe and give this video a like. I'll see you in the next video.